I'm Dr. Jen with White Wave Bodywork, and today I want to talk to you about stretching the fronts of the thighs. So we're going to lay face down on our mat, and in a previous video I have shown you how to do this with your forehead down. This is a progression of that same activity, and what I want you to try to do is prop up on your elbows. If that feels safe for your back to prop up on your elbows, great, stay right there. If it doesn't feel comfortable for your lower back, I want you to try and tuck your pelvis by squeezing your butt cheeks together. If that helps the lower back feel happy, then move forward. If your low back doesn't like this, then know that there's another video and another exercise available to you where you keep the forehead down, okay? So scroll back and look for that one if this isn't comfortable and the butt squeeze doesn't make your back happy. All right, so moving forward from there, if this is a good feeling for you, everything feels okay, what I want you to try to do is turn one hand so that the front of your mat is parallel to your forearm. I'll turn forward so you can see that from here. So it looks like I'm propped up on my elbows and I'm turning my one elbow just like this. Now every time I ask somebody to do this, they go and move their elbow. I want you to pivot on that elbow so that your shoulder and your elbow stay underneath your shoulders. I want your elbows underneath your shoulders because I want your shoulders loaded in a nice, happy place, okay? So when we've got our weight of our body in through our shoulders, I want elbows, not out here, not in here, not way forward, not way back, but just as if your body were a table, you've got your elbows underneath your shoulders. Pivot on that elbow, turn your forearm here, and then we're gonna reach back with the other hand. So that's what it looks like from the front, okay? So we're propped up, elbows underneath our shoulders, and we're gonna pivot the one hand to come parallel to the front of the mat, just like we just practiced. From here, see if you can lift your foot and you can reach back for that foot. If that position is not accessible to you, I want you to grab a strap. We'll do this one first. So I've grabbed my dog's leash and I'm gonna hook the handle of my dog's leash over my foot and then place my elbow back underneath me, a little bit forward in front of my shoulder this time because we're just gonna try and pull forward. If you feel like you can prop up underneath your shoulder there and you can still pull, great. But another modification is to lean that one forward because you're really putting most of your weight on the other elbow and that one should be still stacked up underneath you. So from here, we're taking that loop around the foot, pulling it over the same shoulder because I like to think that that makes it a little more aligned than pulling it over the opposite shoulder. So same hand, same foot, and we're gonna pull forward just like this. Again, if pulling forward starts to pull on your low back, remember, squeeze the butt cheeks and see if that takes some of the pain in the low back out. All right? If you feel like you can grab your foot, what I want you to try to do is grab back, but notice the position of your shoulder here. So if I have you grab back and the shoulder is way down low like this, or you're rocking to the side or caving, doing something funky, pulling your knee out to the side to try to get there, then use the strap. Don't make those modifications, just try to stay neutral. If it's accessible to you, great, move forward by pulling your shoulder up towards your ear, back towards the ceiling, elbow turns up towards the ceiling, and pull your foot in towards your backside. Now I'm talking to the camera, so I'm rocked up. What I want you to try to do is stay forward. So again, this elbow is right underneath my left shoulder. I'm looking forward and my chest is pointed forward. Both my hips are planted evenly on the ground and I'm trying to lengthen my shoulder towards my ear, pull it up towards the ceiling, pull the elbow towards the ceiling, and pull the foot towards the backside. If there's any problem in my low back, I squeeze my butt cheeks, or even if I just want a little more pull, I squeeze my butt cheeks to try to flatten out the curve in the low back and challenge the hip flexor a little bit more. So that is stretching the quad and the hip flexor propped up on your elbows. Try it out. Let me know how that works for you. Let me know what you think of the modifications. And if you have any feedback for me, make it in the comments below. So I hope you learned something great. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.